Hi, in this tutorial I continue with the fill and stroke tool. Let's select again linear gradient. Let's select again the edit option and continue with this dialog. And the first thing I want to show you is how you can change the color from this green to, let's say, red. And notice here that we have some leftover green. And the reason for that is because we just edited only the start stop. We need to do the same with the end stop. And before I edit the end stop, I need to copy this code here for this red color. And I'm going to click, select this, then Ctrl C to copy, or you can right click and select the option from here. Then I'm going to select the end stop. Then I'm going to select here, right click and paste. And next I need to adjust this alpha slider all the way to the left. So this is how you can change the color of the gradient. Now let's see how we can add and delete stops. If I select the start stop and try to delete it, you see that it will not work. I also cannot adjust the offset, and the same thing goes for the end stop. Now let's click on add stop, and this will add a stop in the middle of the gradient vector. Next we can grab this stop and adjust its position. You can also hold down the Control key to snap offset, and with Control and Alt key you can click on it and delete it. Now let's undo that with Control Z and see how we can perform these actions from the dialog here. To delete a stop or control the offset, first we need to make sure that the right stop is selected. So let's click here and select the middle one. And now we can delete it. Control Z to undo that. And I will need to again select the middle stop. And if I want to, I can control the offset. Now next, something important, every time you add another stop, that stop will be added after the selected stop. So right now we have the middle one selected, and if I click add, you'll see that this will add another stop between the middle one and the end one. So next, if I want to make sure I add another one in the middle of the start and midpoint, I'll make sure the start stop is selected and then click add stop. Now let's see how we can change the color of these. Let's start with selecting the second stop here. I'm going to change the color to yellow and also adjust the slider of the alpha here all the way to the right. I'm going to select the next one and make it green, and again adjust the alpha. And the next one I'm going to make blue. And let's select the end stop and change the color to, let's say, purple. And you see how easy it is to create a gradient. And by the way, it's not necessary to use full opacity. We can go back, let's say, to the green color and reduce the opacity from the alpha here. And you see now how it's blending with the yellow and blue color. So this is basically it for this dialog, and in the next tutorial I'm going to continue with more options. I hope you liked this video, and if you're new to my tutorials, subscribe, visit my channel. Also visit my GIMP and Blender tutorials channel. I'll put link in the description. So that's it for now. Bye.